Welcome back to Online Cash Hunter. Today, we're diving into the intriguing realm of the stock market. So, get ready to learn some robust strategies to identify hot stocks for maximum gains. But before we deep dive, ensure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest insights. Let's start with identifying what a hot stock is. It is a stock with an immense potential for gains, primarily driven by factors such as the performance indicators of the company, market trends, and most importantly, the potential for future profitability. A hot stock is the one that could skyrocket, if you identify it at the right time. Let's take a hypothetical tech company X as an example to understand this better. In this dynamic world, tech company X launches a revolutionary product that is set to disrupt the market. This is where our instincts kick in. We might think it's a hot stock because it showcases excellent growth prospects, but how can we be sure? Our belief needs to be verified with facts and thorough analysis. Researching and studying financial documents, keeping an eye on the industry's news, and analyzing market trends can help us. What are we looking for in all that data? We are seeking evidence of good company health, solid revenues, high profit margins, and other reliable factors of a promising future. Let's be more practical and drive our point home with tech company X's example. The company's annual revenue has progressively increased over the years, indicating a stable financial base. They also have plans to expand to new markets, which suggest future profitability. Next, let me introduce you to some tools and tactics that are often ignored but can be game changers. We will be discussing some overlooked but crucial factors like volume analysis, moving averages, and economic indicators. Let's delve deeper into volume analysis, moving averages, and economic indicators using some examples. Starting with volume analysis, it's a basic and yet powerful tool for traders. Volume is averaged over a specific time period, and it provides hints about the strength of a given price move. High volume during an uptrend could indicate the move is gaining momentum. If the volume is low during an upward stock movement, this might signal the trend is ready to reverse. For example, if tech company X's share price went up significantly and the trading volume on that day was also higher than average, it generally indicates strong investor sentiment and might suggest the uptrend will continue. Next up is moving averages, a smoothing technique used to reduce noise in price data. A moving average evens out fluctuations in stocks to show the overall trend over a certain period. Let me illustrate how a moving average works. If we look at tech company X's stock price over the last 5 days, $100, $110, $105, $115, and $120. The 5-day moving average would be the average of these 5 days. 100 plus 110 plus 105 plus 115 plus 120, 5 equals $110. This average gives a smoother path to the stock's recent performance. Last, but not least, economic indicators. They are macroeconomic factors that not only affect the economy at large but also impact individual stocks. These could include changes in GDP, unemployment rates, consumer price indices, and many others. Let's say a positive jobs report has been released and the employment rate is higher than expected. This usually means more people are earning and potentially spending more. The sectors that likely benefit from this news, such as consumer goods, think of companies like Apple, Amazon, etc., and real estate, are where you might find potential hot stocks. These examples should help you grasp the significance of volume analysis, moving averages, and economic indicators. They need to be evaluated wisely while identifying hot stocks for maximum gains. Please remember, stock markets are unpredictable and calls for a diversified approach. Protective measures always outweigh the potential gains. But always remember, as thrilling as the world of stock trading sounds, it carries with it risks. Therefore, conducting a comprehensive study and wisely weighing your investment options are critical steps. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket after all. Diversification is crucial. Phew! Quite a lot to take in, right? But fear not. We, at Online Cash Hunter, are here to simplify things, helping you decode the secrets of investing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Also share your thoughts or doubts in the comments section, because we learn better together. Thank you, hunters. Do remember to subscribe, share, and turn on notifications. Until we meet again, keep hunting, keep earning, and stay tuned for our next deep dive into investment tips.
Goodbye.